Okay children, in this video we will be seeing the next question, that is question number 4 of the test which you have taken. Now question number 4 is, there is a word equation again, quicklime plus water gives slaked lime. So in this word equation, the first question which is asked to you is, what type of reaction is this? So the first question, answer for the first question, this is a direct combination reaction. Direct combination reaction in which heat energy is released. So you can also write it is exothermic reaction, direct combination as well as exothermic reaction, because heat energy is released. Now next is, you have been asked the observation in this reaction. So the observation, what do you observe when you put quicklime in water? Since it is an exothermic reaction, heat produced will make the water boil. You can see the bubbles, and the container in which you are mixing, that container will also become hot. So the observation will be, heat produced will boils the water, and along with that a hissing sound is produced. Hissing sound is produced. So this is the fourth question. Now next question number 5. If I say question number 5, it has been told that there is a boy Rohan who performed an experiment. In that experiment, he mixed a solution of common salt and silver nitrate. So common salt is what? Sodium chloride. So common salt and silver nitrate are mixed. Then it is asked, what did Rohan observe in the end of reaction, and you have to give the balanced equation also for it. So what will be Rohan observing in A part? White PPT or precipitate of silver nitrate, no, silver chloride is observed. White precipitate of silver chloride is observed, and then you have to write balanced equation. So you have NaCl solution plus silver nitrate solution. You can write like this, NaCl plus AgNO3 will give you AgCl plus NaNO3. So this is the question number 4 and 5 of your question paper. Now let us come to the next question, number 6. Question number 6 says, you have to balance equations. First equation is zinc sulfide plus oxygen gives zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. So the answer for the first equation is zinc sulfide plus oxygen gives zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Balance the reaction. It is 2 molecules of zinc sulfide plus 3 of oxygen will give 2 ZNO plus 2 SO2. This is the balanced equation for the first part. This is question number 6A part. Then B part says, sulfur plus nitric acid gives sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide and water. So sulfur plus nitric acid, HNO3, 6 molecules of it you will take, so it will give S plus 6 HNO3 will give H2SO4 plus 6 NO2 plus 2 H2 molecules. Next question is C part of it, in which potassium bicarbonate reacts with sulfuric acid to give potassium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. So potassium bicarbonate is KHCO3, reacts with sulfuric acid. 2 molecules will give K2SO4 plus 2 molecules of CO2 plus 2 H2. So these are the balanced reactions for question number 6. These are the correct answers. Now next question number 7. In question number 7, some formula is given to you. Question number 7, a formula is given to you. The formula is, question 7 says M2SO4 whole thrice is the formula. You have to tell this metal M, its phosphate, what will be the formula for its phosphate and for its oxide. This you have to tell. Now if you see this formula, what do you come to know from this formula? That valency of metal M will be what? 3 plus, and SO4 2 minus will be what? SO4 will be 2 minus. Then you exchange these two valencies, then you will get the formula, this M2SO4 whole thrice. That means from this formula you come to know that valency of metal is 3 plus. So phosphate for this will be M3 plus. Phosphate is PO4 3 minus. 3 plus 3 minus. Exchange the valencies, 3 will be cancelled. So MPO4 will be the formula for its phosphate. Now oxide is M, metal valency is 3 plus, oxide is 2 minus. So 2, 3, so oxide will be M2O3. So this will be the formula for phosphate and oxide. Now the last question, question number 8 says that there are two reactions. In biology you must have studied about photosynthesis and respiration. So question 8 talks about the two processes, biological processes, photosynthesis and respiration. What kind of reactions are these? So photosynthesis is actually a synthesis reaction in which glucose is produced. So you can simply write photosynthesis is considered a direct combination reaction or synthesis reaction, or you can call it as synthesis reaction. Now one more thing, this is also a photochemical reaction because photosynthesis takes place in presence of sunlight. You can call it as photochemical reaction also. So these can be the answers for photosynthesis. And respiration is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction in which energy is released in the form of heat and ATP molecules. So these are the answers for the question paper which we have, which was there given in your test. That is all for today.